Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video we're gonna make Chinese fried noodles. That's what we're gonna make today. And for the ingredients, it's very easy. You need carrots. I use flat beans, baby sprouts, noodles of course, those are pre-cooked, and also what did I use? It's called chives. And those are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Unfortunately, I do not have shrimps. I thought I did have shrimp, but I don't. So what I'll be using is, eggs instead. So you can add chicken if you want, but I don't have time to marinate it. It's currently 8:09 and I just want to, do something really quickly for lunch tomorrow. So let's get started and let me show you how the ingredient looks like and what I'm using and all that stuff. So let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'll be using, as you can see. And this is the noodles that I've used. It's pre-cooked noodles, 400 grams. I use 2 packs. So you can get it anywhere. It's the middle kind of one. I don't like the too thin one, so I'm changing it to the middle one. So this is how the noodles looks like. It's as you can see, a little bit chunky, and I like it that way. And these are chives that I've cut. It's just 1 pack of it. I chopped it into this long. And carrots. I have like 6 small carrots in it. And I just want it to be chunky a little bit because you're going to saute everything. Those are baby sprouts, as you can see. Not too much, but fairly the same amount of the other ingredients. And flat beans as well. I just got the edges here, and here. So that, because there's like that stringy thingy that comes with it. So I don't want to have that when I eat. I love flat beans because flat beans are so good. It keeps their crunchiness even after you cook them, so that's really great. I'm going to be adding superior dark soy sauce in the mixture of my noodles, and this is for the flavoring after. It's basically fish sauce. I'm going to use that afterwards. And this is black pepper. And also I found this thing at the supermarket, which is like chow mein, a spice. And I tried it and I really liked it. Just to add some spice to the vegetables, I just will be using that. You can get it anywhere, and it doesn't have to be this specific brand, but you can have it in any Chinese store. They will most probably basically sell those. So let's get to me adding this and this in here. So guys, I'll be using a teaspoon, and I'll be adding this superior sauce, soy sauce. So let's go ahead with 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon, and just gonna swirl it all over. A 2nd teaspoon. 2nd teaspoon. Same thing, and a 3rd one. Depending on how many packs of noodles you're making and how dark you like it to be, you will put that. So if you want to add more, you can always add more. And we'll be taking basically pepper. 1 teaspoon of pepper. Put it around. 2nd teaspoon of pepper. Put it around. And then we're just going to use our hands and mix it up. Okay? Mix it up. Mix it up. Again, we're going to mix it up. We want everything to be added nicely. Okay, mixing it up again. You can see that the noodles starts slowly to change color, and that's completely normal. I just want it to be a little bit darker, so I'm just gonna add another teaspoon of that. I just want it to be a little bit darker, so I'll put 1.5 again. Woo! Okay. All right, so let me mix it up again. Mixing it up. Okay, we're mixing it again. There's some bits that's white that we want to definitely rub it around or rub it together. There you go. Okay. That's my hands or like dirty, but basically it's mixed. It's gonna have some nice flavor to it. At this point you can add chili flakes if you want it to be spicy, but since I have another like pack of like spice that I'm gonna use, I don't want to overly, you know, spice it up kind of thing, so we'll just stick to this. So now it's all nice. So guys, I have all my ingredients. I'll be using this kind of pan and a little bit of oil. I'm gonna put that to medium height, basically number 4, and then we're just gonna drizzle some oil, just drizzling, and perfect. So drizzling some oil. This is how much oil we have, and we're just gonna let it heat, and then we're gonna add all our vegetables. So we're gonna be adding the carrots first, and then the flat beans, and then we're gonna add some of that fish sauce, and then we're gonna add some of that chow mein spice for it to have more of a kick kind of thing, and then the noodles gonna be after. And so let's just wait till it's hot and ready. So guys, this is hot, ready to go. I'm gonna add some carrots, so just like a few. So let's see. Okay, some carrots. The carrots being cooked. Just leave it to cook. Then we're gonna add the beans. Add the beans. Okay. Add some more beans and some more carrots. This is it. Can you hear the sizzling, guys? This is like a very nice sizzling. I'm gonna lower that. It smells good. I'm just gonna add like half a teaspoon of that. Half a teaspoon. Woo! There you go, half a teaspoon. And add that to it, just to give it some spice. Then I'm just gonna saute it. It's super easy to actually make. As you can see, there's like sauteed vegetables. Very, very nice. What I'll do next is, just some few minutes, I'm just gonna add a little bit of that yumminess. So I'm just gonna add like a handful of it. Just gonna add some more. I'm just gonna, basically the 2 packs, I'm just gonna break it in 3 set of noodles that I'm gonna make. So separating into like 3 set of noodles, so batch of noodles that you want to make. So this is the noodles. Just gonna add and just like turn it around, mixing it again. Let it cook, and I'll just add that. This is how I add it. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is what I'm gonna add. Continue to add. This is a beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, so this is being cooked. Okay, so then what we'll do next is add some of that chives in. Chives. This is it's gonna taste good, but at the same time it's gonna give it some color. So then I'm just gonna add some more of this fish sauce. 1, 2, there you go, not too much. You can always taste after, and this is how I do it. This is definitely something super easy that you can make. It doesn't take long. Just have to chop the vegetables beforehand, but it's I would say more on the healthy side than anything. And if you love shrimp, basically shrimp is so good to put in. Woo. Add some baby sprout. It's just basically for texture. Baby sprouts normally don't have any taste to it, so it's just really for the color and texture. It just make it look nice, and you know, that kind of white color. And yeah, so you let it cook for some minutes. This is how it looks like. I'm just gonna test it out and see if it tastes good. Let's try it out. Very nice. It's fumey. Can you see? This is the noodles with the vegetables. And now I'm just gonna add some eggs to it. Just gonna whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. And this is it. 3 eggs. Just gonna throw it in there. It's just really, really simple, you know. You just don't want to worry about it, and you just want a quick, easy lunch. Lunch is the way to go, and then we're just gonna scramble it. Scramble, scramble. Scramble the eggs. And then you just fry it at the end. You'll put it at the end. So these are the scrambled eggs. So this is the noodles. This is the finished outcome. Noodles and eggs. But let me show you, if I mix it up, how it will look like. Let me mix it up a little bit. But yeah, imagine if you had shrimp in it, would have been amazing. It's so juicy. It's not dry or anything, because the vegetables make it juicy. So it's not dry. You can add some sauce to it if you want. But yes guys, this is the finished basically noodles and eggs. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and let me know if you want to see other videos in the future, other cooking videos. Let me put my tripod here. And I hope you did enjoy this video, and you did enjoy this recipe. It's super easy to make, and if you don't know what to make for lunchtime or for dinner, that could be a dinner too, you can always make that. It's super easy. As I said, you just need some basic few ingredients, and it takes literally not like half an hour, I would say, with the prepping and the actual cooking time. It doesn't take long. You've seen it here on the camera. It doesn't take long. So give this video a thumbs up, and if you do want to get more notification for upcoming videos, do not forget to click on that bell notification. Also subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Guys, I forgot to try it out because, you know, if you're doing a cooking video, might as well try it out while you're on camera. So let me try this out and let you know what I think about it without being biased. Anyway, let me try this out. Really good. If you like sweet and sour sauce, this is so good with sweet and sour sauce. Or you can make like a special kind of like garlicky sauce with it. So good. But yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.